We kept running after tomorrow, holding on to borrowed hope. Every sunrise, every heartbeat was another chance to let go. Every ending turned around, every shadow